Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to Growing Wisdom, and today I want to talk about vegetables you can plant in the fall. Fall brings about a unique time of the year when the light is still bright enough to grow things, and it's still also warm enough to grow things. It's not so hot that you need to water an awful lot, and it's not so cold that things can't survive. So I want to talk to you about some of the favorite things that I have that I'm growing in the fall. So when I say fall, we're talking really that time from late August all the way through to the end of October, even early November, depending on where you are. One of the things you want to do is look for product, things that can handle some of the colder temperatures, which will eventually come. So depending on where you are, you'll get your first frost maybe as early as mid to late September. Many spots in the country wait until mid to late October or even early November. So things that will do really well are things like kale. So kale is part of what's called the brassica family, and it tends to like cooler weather. So that's one of the reasons why it does really well in the spring and also does well in the fall. This particular variety of red kale will handle itself right through 22, 23 degrees. Sometimes in some winters, I've even seen it make it through the entire winter and come back in the spring. So kale's a great choice to be growing in the fall. Another thing you can grow are snap peas for their greens. So if you grow peas, you generally plant them early in the spring and you get your peas sometime in early summer. But I'm growing these for the pea tendrils. And you can see here this particular variety has these wonderful pea tendrils that we can use them in salads. We can use them in stir fries. They taste really great and they're really easy to grow. I have another batch of them coming up right here. Lettuces are another leafy green that do super well. Look at this little patch of lettuce I have here, the greens, the reds. Planted these just a couple of weeks ago. They're already up. We can harvest them as baby lettuce or we can wait a little bit longer. So just a few days ago, we seeded in some seeds and they've already come up with adequate moisture and adequate light. We've already got some baby kale and baby lettuces beginning to show up. And all of these things will continue to grow right through the better part of fall. And if I cover them, once we start getting temperatures at night down into the 20s and even upper teens, if I do cover these things up, I can even extend the season further. So you're not going to be able to grow tomatoes or peppers or zucchini in mid to late fall, but greens like the cooler weather. So don't stop gardening when it gets cooler and the nights start coming a little bit earlier. That's your time to grow a different set of vegetables. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.